Hello everyone, today I will introduce you HYC company's newly developed and licensed LC push-pull Uniboot connector. This connector has a push-pull type and is mainly used in high-density environments in data centers. Now, let me introduce the features of this product. First, easy-to-change polarity. First, use the right hand to hold the front housing of the connector. The hand cannot touch the end face of the ferrule. Then, pull out the tail sleeve of the connector with left hand. The left thumb and the middle finger pinch the outer frame. The index fingernails hold the outer frame sharp nail. When the sharp nail opens out, hold the frame front cover with your right hand and pull it forward. And then rewrite the AB polarity. After the revise, relocate the outer frame and bolt in order from the back. Second, the height of the gyro connector on the market will exceed the height of the adapter, but the height of this connector will not exceed the height of the adapter, which is more suitable for high-density environments in data centers. Third, this connector has the unique push-pull design, which is easy to release from the high-density environment. The depth of this connector is the half surround structure design, which can accommodate a cable. When many conductors are stacked together, it is easy to straighten out without entanglement. This product has been on the market in large quantities. If you would like more information, please visit www.hycsystem.com. Thanks for your watching. Goodbye.